Today for our handwriting, we're going to look at two more joins. First join we're going to look at is a C and an L. Now for a C and an L, start of our C, start on the top of the black line and then you come round just like that. So there's our C, and again if you want to practice a few C's just like that, getting a nice flow in. An L is a long tall letter, so we start at the top of the red line, we come down to the bottom of that line and there's a little kind of tail or lead into the next letter. And again, if you want to practice a few of those, absolutely fine. To put them together, not too bad because the bottom of the C joins into the bottom of the L, so when you come to do your join, do your C and then instead of stopping you then go up, down and then like a little tail like that. So do that again, start here, you go round, then you go up, down with a little tail. And again, I would practice probably at least 2 lines. If you want to practice your C's and your L's separately and then go do your C and your L, absolutely fine. Second join I'm going to do is an A and a T. So an A starts at the top of the line, always starts kind of in the corner of the A, so we're kind of going around, up, and then down like that. So A starts on this side of the A, it goes round, and again, the handwriting lines are there to help you. So ideally, you shouldn't go over the black lines. You should be on them, but you shouldn't go over. So that first one for me is probably a little bit too big. If you want to go slightly kind of inside as well to make it a little bit smaller, that is fine, as long as they don't go over the lines. T. Now T is technically a tall letter. However, it is one of those letters that is a special kind of rule. It doesn't reach the top line. It kind of goes 3/4, so in between the black line and the red line. So I would start my T somewhere here, and it looks a bit like an L. So it's like a smaller L, and then go back, and I would put my cross on the line itself. You can go slightly above if you want, but I would go on it. So again, somewhere between the red and the black line, about halfway. So it looks like a smaller L, and then go back and do your cross of your T. Again, put them together, the A joins into the bottom of the T, so it's not too tricky. So you do your A, when you get to your tail on your A, you go up, back down, and then go back and do your cross. So there's your A, T, and then again, practice it a few times until you're happy. And again, I would say at least 2 lines just to practice. If you then want to put your own words afterwards, using some of these joins, that's fine. So I'm going to use the A and the T, and I'm going to add, I could put a C before it, so cat, because we've got our C up here. So again, thinking about where our C would join, and we do our C, into our A, into our T, and then there we go.